Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see another AI tool for Excel which will help your Excel working abilities. So let's go to Google Chrome. Here you can type AI Excel bot and just hit enter. So here you can see excelbot.com and here you will find the tab AI Excel bot. Use AI to generate Excel formulas in seconds. So you can just click on this. So it will go to the website of AI Excel bot. Here you can click as sign up. So from sign up you can have some options like directly writing your email, password, etc., or you can sign up by Google. So click on sign up by Google. So it will list all your accounts. Suppose I am signing off with this account. So this is my email account and we have to click on continue in order to agree the terms and conditions. So it will add, and now see it is added in the particular dashboard. You can view this dashboard. You can click on home. So this is our actual home. It is a having some various tabs like this is the playground. Then you can give VBA script. You can talk to the task assistant, or you can give the task to your AI assistant. What work you have done can be seen in the archives. So suppose I have to create formula for Excel and I have to generate it. So type the problem you are trying to solve or formula you want explained. Be as specific as possible. So you have to describe what you require or which formula you require in Excel. You have to describe that in words, and by describing you should be as specific as possible, closer to your actual requirement, so that this AI formula bot or AI Excel bot can help you in giving the exact formula. Yes, so we will take one example with the help of Excel. So open Excel, open a new worksheet. Here I will zoom it for you. So now let's have a set of data like 2, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, again 2, 3, 5, 6. So first thing is, like yesterday we saw how to create a formula with the help of a formula bot. Similarly, we will see that if I have to do the sum, so first you have to identify which is the cell. So this I have to do the sum of these quantities. So I have to identify the cell. So this is column number C and this is column number 3. So this is column C and row number is 2. So from C2 I have to sum it up to C11. But I don't know the formula. So I will go here and just describe that. I have to add from cell C2 to C11. C11 and just click on get formula. So it will generate, and so see it is generating the formula as is equal to sum C to C11. So just copy this or click here on copy. Go to Excel where you require the answer. Suppose you require the answer here. You can right click it and just paste it. So you can see the answer is 54. The total of this is 54. So also you can see that with the help of this you can create any formula. Like I have to count how many times number 2 is repeated from C2 to C11. So now how many times get the formula. So it is running. So now what I am doing is from this data how many times 2 is repeated that I require. So it has given me the formula that use count if function. So click on copy, go here, paste it, and you can see that number 2 is repeated 2 times. So this is 1 time and this is 2 times. Suppose if I convert this number 8 to 2, so this answer will change from 2 to 3. Just look at this. See. So in this way you can use this AI formula bot also. And if you require in this case an explanation, you can click on explain for this formula and just click on get explanation. You can copy this and paste it here and then click on get explanation. So guys, here is the explanation. The formula is equal to count if C2 C11 underscore 2 counts the number of cells in the range C2 to C11 that contain the value 2. So this will help you in order to understand the Excel functions very effectively. So this was the data which we used for the analysis in count if function. Suppose if you convert all the numbers to 2, see, so the count is 10 because we have used 10 rows. So the count given is 10. So in this way you can use this particular AI Excel bot function to work effectively. Thank you all of you.